Okay, so today we're installing ARACER Mini X Pro on this 2024 Honda Monkey. And so first thing we're going to do is remove the battery here, which I already undid. And then we're going to remove the 2 bolts here that holds down the ABS module. And then you're going to want to undo these 2 clips over here that holds down the ABS line. The 2 little clips here, so you have more movement on it. And then you just want to kind of lift that up, and you can bend the pipe a little bit if you need to. Just kind of get out of the way, that way you have more room. Also, you might want to unplug the ABS module cable here, that way you have more room to move it. And to do that, you're gonna have to push this red clip up, the safety clip. Push that up like that, and then you want to push down a little black tab there. When you push down that black tab, you want to hear a click. That means it released it, and then you can pry the plug open there. That way, now you can move the ABS pump here a little bit more freely. And then next you want to unbolt this metal bracket here that holds down the ECU. Now I already had this out, and I didn't want to push the whole way back in because it's a pain in the butt. But you want to kind of pull this metal bracket out of the plastic, the rubber cover here on the ECU. That was kind of a pain. I used a flat screwdriver behind it and kind of pried it out. But these barbs right here are pretty, they hold on pretty good. So once you get that bracket off, then you can kind of pull this rubber cover off the ECU here. And then to pull the ECU out, you can, there's a gray retaining clip here that you have to pull back. See the gray clip here? Pull all the way back, and then you can pull the ECU out. And the ECU is indexed so that it can only go in one way. You can't flip it around. And then slip on the new ECU, ARACER, and then make sure you lock the retaining clip back, and that's it. Now, because of the pump is here, and it's not much room down here, I'm not gonna put the rubber grommet back on. I'm probably just gonna wrap the ECU and some foam, and just leave it hanging in here, because I have to install the wideband module also, so I have to need some room in here. But yeah, just put the battery back on and fold everything back, should be good to go. Okay, so I wrapped some foam around the ECU here and stuffed it back in the pocket here. Looks like it's pretty secure. I don't think it's gonna move around that much. There's no way you can put the bracket on because the ECU sticks out pretty far, and there's no room in here for the battery and the ABS module. So I think I should leave it like that for now, and yeah, I think it'll be fine. Okay, get the ABS module back on, and the ECU is underneath it, and then we can just pull this pigtail here aside like this, and put the battery back on there, and the bracket for the battery. Okay, so I have the battery back in and all the wires tucked away, and I'll have to install the wideband module later, since I have to weld the O2 bung to the exhaust. But I want to set up the ECU for now, and see if I can get it working on the stock motor and everything. So I have the app open and the ECU connected. I'm going to go in and do a quick burn and MS Chrome 125 2001 and up, and I'm going to select the stock ECU and now start the flash. Okay, I have the wideband module mounted and wires all tucked away, and I mounted the AF2 wideband there, and I have the bike running right now, and it's on auto tune. See the wideband there, and I'm going to take it out for a spin and see how it goes.